Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up for AOL Mail. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your browser and in the search bar and type aol.com and hit enter. On the homepage, you'll see the login/join option in the left sidebar menu. Click that button, and you'll come to a new screen. You'll see the white Create an Account button. Click that. This will take you to a sign-up page, where you'll enter some basic information, like your name, the AOL email address you'd like to have, and the password you choose. Once you submit that info, you're all set. You can now send emails from your @aol.com email address to all your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching this video, and again make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.